Hi, Jada. Do you know what's happening today? What's happening today? Do you know what's going to happen? What's happening today? Where's Mommy?
Baby.
With the baby? What's the baby going to do today?
Oh, Mommy.
It's coming out of Mommy's tummy?
Yeah.
Oh boy, and who's here with you now? Who's at Jada's house?
Daddy.
Daddy's here?
Yes.
No, I don't see Daddy. Who's sitting here eating dinner with you?
Dida.
Jada. Jada's eating with Jada. Okay. And what are we eating? Are we eating yummy takeout? Did we get Jada a hamburger
Yes.
with fruit? Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want to tell anything to Mommy?
Yes.
What would you like to tell Mommy?
Dois.
Toys?
Yes.
You played with toys today? Okay. Do you want to say, I love you, Mommy?
Oh.
Nikki's yawning. Hey, Jada, do you want to tell Mommy you love her?
Yes.
Say, I love you, Mommy.
What, Mommy?
Okay, tell Mommy we'll probably see her tomorrow with the baby. Okay? Yay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.